Pineapple may look tough on the outside, but inside it carries one of the most impressive nutritional profiles in the fruit kingdom. I call pineapple the sweet fruit that works like a silent doctor. Let's break down what this humble fruit truly offers. The nutritional information. Pineapple is loaded with nutrients your body depends on daily. Vitamin C boosts immunity, supports wound healing, improves skin health, and fights oxidative stress. It has bromelain, a rare natural enzyme found mostly in pineapple, and this helps digestion, reduces inflammation, eases bloating, and supports quicker recovery after injury or exercise. Manganese. It strengthens bones, supports metabolism, and improves antioxidant activities. Pineapple contains antioxidants like flavonoids and phenolic acids. This protects your cells from damage, slows aging, and supports long-term wellness. And then it has water, which boosts hydration, especially important in hot African climates like we are now. Natural energy sugar. It provides clean energy without processed sugar spike. Pineapple is literally nutrient-dense, goodness wrapped in sweetness. Health benefits for every demographic. One of the best things about pineapple is that its benefit cuts across all ages and health needs. For children, strengthens immunity, aids digestion, helps ease constipation, supports healthy growth. And for women, improves skin health and glow, reduces bloating, supports hydration in pregnancy if mother tolerates it, and then helps manage inflammation during monthly cycles. For men, it boosts metabolism, supports heart health, aids post-workout muscle recovery, and provides natural energy. For older adults, it relieves joint pain due to bromelain, supports bone strength, reduces oxidative stress, and then aids digestion for weaker gut systems. For those into fitness and people that are active, it enhances stamina, speeds up muscle recovery, helps digestion after high protein meals, and then rehydrates the body naturally. For people in hot climates, especially in Africa and Nigeria, like tropical climates, rehydrates quickly, it refreshes the body, replenishes micronutrients, helps fight heat stress, and then pineapple is a universal wellness booster. Who should limit or avoid pineapple? Although pineapple is healthy, it may not suit everyone. Avoid or reduce pineapple if you have severe acid reflux or ulcers. Pineapple acidity may irritate symptoms. And then allergy. Stop immediately if you notice itching, swelling, or rashes. Avoid pineapple, especially blood thinners or antibiotics. If you are on deck, consult your healthcare provider. One fruit a day keeps me healthy. See you again in the next video. Follow for more fruit updates and share the video. Bye.